Hello student, today we will do question number 5 from exercise 6.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question number 5. In figure 6.20, this is figure DE parallel OQ and DF parallel OR given, so that EF parallel QR. So in triangle, first we will see in triangle PQO. Given this is ED parallel QO. Therefore, by BPT, PE by EQ is equal to PT by DO by BPT. This is one. Now in triangle POR F parallel OR. So therefore I BPT PT by TO is equal to F by FR. This is 2 and this is also by BPT. Now from 1 and 2, see in 1 also here it is PD by DO and 2 also is PD by DO. So both this will be equal. PE by EQ is equal to then PF by FR. And so this is PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. So therefore if you will consider in triangle PQR, therefore in triangle PQR, we see that EF is dividing the sides PQ and PR proportionally. So therefore in triangle by converse of BPT, EF will be parallel to QR. This is good. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with the next question Till then, take care.